Hello, hello. Hello, amazing customers. It's Carrie here, and I am really excited to come live and share what's new for the holiday season. So I'm a little late to the draw because this launched about November 1st. But if you guys have been following me, I have been traveling all over the place. I went out to British Columbia for a week to see our home office again and do some strategic planning for the future of Epicure. And then I also went to Ottawa to support my team and do some training and some connection. And I'm home now and I am ready to dig in and share what is new. Okay, so let's dig in. Here are my reviews of the brand new holiday products that just launched. So to start, we have an absolutely gorgeous entertaining guide put together for all of you. So this is a digital guide I'm going to share with all of you. It lists all the new products, but it goes into detail of different recipes for every single new collection. And let me tell you, we have some fantastic new collections put together to make your holiday shopping and entertaining a breeze. So just to give you an idea of some of these collections, if you love Greek food, we have a Mediterranean meze collection with all the recipes and products to make a beautiful like Greek charcuterie board. That's my favorite. I love Greek. We have a seacouterie. This is really trending this year. So seafood is a huge trend, and if you're a seafood lover and your friends are a seafood lover, we've put together a seacouterie collection with all kinds of recipes with very affordable choices and our Epicure seasonings to create a beautiful seacouterie board, a seacouterie, fun, right? We have Sylvie's dinner party. So Sylvie is our president and founder, and she is like the most innovative recipe creator I've ever met in my life. She is awesome, and she's put together like her favorite dinner party collection with all of the recipes. We've got a modern throwback, champagne and shenanigans. That's super fun. Sweetest things, everything sweet. So all kinds of collections. I'm going to include this after I'm done the live of what all the collections are, and make sure every single one of you get your hands on this amazing holiday guide with tons of recipes. So you are not going to struggle with what to serve for your dinner parties this holiday season. So let's get into the new products. So first of all, can you see what I'm enjoying here in this beautiful Epicure branded mug? It is a brand new drink. If you are a lover of coffee, like me, who's my fellow coffee lovers, and who's a lover of chocolate, both, hands down. Brand new mocha drink mix. This is a chocolate coffee drink mix. It is unbelievable. If you love, so I call it cafe mocha from Tim Hortons. So if we ever go to Tim Hortons, I like to get half coffee, half hot chocolate. I love that flavor, that chocolate coffee. That's exactly this in a jar, but of course healthy, because Epicure uses is very sugar conscious, so it's not filled with sugar. And of course we're using organic cane sugar. There's coffee powder and organic cocoa powder in here. It's so good. Anyway, this is a treat for yourself, but an awesome gift idea. So if you've got any coffee chocolate lovers, consider wrapping this up with a little bow. Maybe you can get like a really fun like holiday mug. There's the cutest ones at the dollar store and Walmart right now. You could like put this in the mug, wrap it up. Awesome gift idea. Beautiful. So the new mocha. We also have returning. These are for my seasoned Epicure customers. You may recognize these. I'm so glad they're back. Baked apple and cran apple sweet mix. So these are a sweet mix with actual chunks of cranberry and apples. And what you do with these is you can add them into your baking. You can mix them up and make a sweet cheese ball. You can add them into your oatmeal. You can add them into your yogurt. Like, the ideas are endless. I'm going to be sharing recipes this week. The baked apple, I love to make like a baked apple cheese, cream cheese dip. You know those dips that you have the score bites on top? I make that with the baked apple. So I'll share that recipe. And I love the cran apple sweet mix to do a cheese ball. And I also love making a cranberry spritzer, a really delicious holiday drink. So I will share those recipes. These are two you definitely want to get for your holiday entertaining, but also a great gift idea. You could stack them up 2 by 2, wrap it up in cellophane with a bow, and that would be a beautiful gift idea. All right, now for another new product. So does anybody remember our mulled spices? Yeah? Okay, well, we've innovated and we've created, inspired by our mulled spices, we've created a new spiced apple cider mix. So all you do is mix this with plain apple juice and it makes the most delicious spiced apple cider. And you could adult it by adding a little bit of Jack Daniel's spiced rum in there. Absolutely delicious. Spiced apple cider mix. Okay, now we're going to get into our seasoning pouches. So these two are returning favorites. And cheesecake. Our pumpkin and our chocolate velvet baked cheesecake. These are decadent. They are divine. And if you love cheesecake, but you're really not sure how to make it, buy one of these. The easy to follow recipe is here. It is simple to make, and it's going to save you a ton of money not buying those store-bought cheesecakes that are uber expensive. Be a Martha and make your own. Okay, we have another returning product, and it is the spiced cinnamon nuts. Love this one. Just grab mixed nuts, toss it with this seasoning, a little bit of olive oil, bake it in the oven, and you made your own homemade cinnamon spiced nuts. They are perfect for the holiday. Wrap them up in little plastic cellophane bags, gift them to your friends, or make them and have them ready for a holiday treat. This also is really, really yummy to make your own homemade granola or make a baked spiced apple cake, okay? Layer the bottom of your steamer with apples, then take the Epicure white cake mix, dump this into it, and put that on top and bake it. Flip it over and you have like a spiced apple upside down cake. Absolutely delicious. Next, pumpkin pie. So don't be buying that Walmart pumpkin pie, gross. Make your own, it's so easy. All you need is pumpkin puree and a base. And you can buy like that graham cracker base if you want, or make your own pie shell and mix it together with this and make your own pumpkin pie. It is so good. I've even made this minus the crust and did it in the muffin pans. So it was like a crustless pumpkin pie. Great if you've got gluten allergies. Delicious. Okay, now for another new product. This one would be such a lovely gift to give with a nice holiday mug, or maybe like a spatula or a whisk, and it's the new sugar cookie mix. So this is gluten-free. All of our products are gluten-free. So if you've got a gluten intolerance, you can make amazing sugar cookies with your family, and they are so good. If you don't have gluten intolerances like my family, but you're not the best baker, it's all in one pouch. Like, it's foolproof. There's no messing this up, and that's what I love. So the new sugar cookie mix, you could make sugar cookies. You could use this for a base when you're making pumpkin pie or different treats and you need a base or a crust. You could use the sugar cookie mix. Back by popular demand, True North Butter Tarts. My dad, I call him a tart snob. He makes his own butter tarts. They're delicious, but he's like that butter tart snob, right? Like, is it ooey enough? Is it gooey? Is it like, you know, all the things they test? So I made these and he was like, they're not bad. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing coming from the tart snob. So True North Butter Tarts, I cheat and I just buy store-bought tart shells and I whisk this up and bake them, and they're so good. You could add raisins, you could add pecans, walnuts. I've had some of my customers use this along with our shortbread, or you could use sugar cookie and make like a True North like square. So you could put the shortbread on the bottom, the butter tart on the top, and make like a tart square. If that makes sense. I'll share recipes all week using this one. Okay, we're almost done We've got another brand new product. This one probably got the most reviews when we were taste testing this at head office a week or so ago. And it's the new chocolate caramel macchiato mix. So you mix this with cream cheese and whipping cream and it makes this like caramelly chocolate fluffy goodness that you can just eat with a spoon. How I envision using it is I'm going to cook up some of our Epicure chocolate cake or our brownies and I'm going to layer it and then I'm going to drizzle caramel on the top and I'm going to make like a holiday trifle using the caramel chocolate macchiato. Delicious. And we've got just one more here and this is our maple balsamic chicken mix. So good. So this is a sheet pan meal. You just take your chicken breast. Oh, Phil's home for lunch. Hi, Phil.
Hello.
Just take your chicken breast, mix it up with this with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Toss in some veggies, red peppers, and cook it on a sheet pan. I served mine on top of mashed potatoes. It was good. The whole family loved this one. So maple balsamic chicken. So there you go. That is what's new and returning from our holiday gifting line, along with this digital gifting book filled with recipes. So I'm gonna post this in the group, open it up, save it. You're gonna have endless amount of recipes for the holiday season. All right, thank you for joining me guys and stay tuned for the next week. I'm going to share all kinds of recipes and ideas featuring the new products. Take care, we'll talk to you soon. Bye everybody.